Hope you are all know what is reports and how do you create reports. Next, you are going to know about the dashboard. In general, what is dashboard? Dashboard is where you can see the visual of data in one place. This is in general. This is our dashboard. In Salesforce also, we are going to see the your R data in one place in the visual format. To seeing that, you need report. So I hope you are all know report. So let's go to the next slide. Dashboard is the key metrics and data trends of your org. You can see in the visual format in one place. Why we are going to dashboard? Let's say you are creating reports on lead record. I created multiple reports in lead record, but I want to see all the reports, but I don't want to click one by one. So I want to see that report details in one place. That's why we are going to dashboard. Okay, next, purpose of dashboard. Let's say I am a sales manager and I have team of 2 sales reps. I want to see their activities and performance, and also I assign the lead to them. I want to track the lead information also. That's why we are going. If I put all the reports in one place using dashboard, I can see that my sales rep performance, and also I can see the lead track. That's using that I can change my business condition. I can understand how this flows work, and I can understand my sales rep activities. Before creating the dashboard, please understand these features and concepts. There are mainly you need to understand 3 features and concepts. First one is dashboard editor, and the second one is widgets, and the third one is running user. Dashboard editor is similar to the report editor. It's a drag and drop tool. Using this, you are going to create and edit the dashboards. And the second one is widgets. I already said dashboard is the visual representation. That visual representation, we are going in which form, chart or metrics or trends. These are we can define using the widgets. And the third one is running user. You already know about securities, right? In dashboard, I am going to add all the reports or any other data trends in dashboard. If I see the dashboard and also I saw the dashboard, in which data all the users are going to see in the dashboard. This is defined by the running user. Building the dashboard. Before, just let's have a quick demo to create dashboard. First, navigate to the dashboard. You all know that dashboard tab, right? You can navigate here. If you don't see the dashboard tab in your app page, you can search in the app launcher. Here also you can search dashboard. Just let's create the new dashboard. This is how you are going to create this dashboard. Let's back to the presentation. For creating the dashboard, you all need this permission. To create a dashboard, you need run report and also customize dashboard permission. To edit the dashboard, you need edit my dashboard permission, and also you need manage my dynamic dashboard, manage dashboard in the public folders. These permissions are all you want to. Let's see that what is dynamic dashboard and why these are the permission are needed. Let's see in the feature session. Next one is create a dashboard. Before creating the dashboard, you need to know what are all in the dashboard. First one is source report, and the second one is widgets, and the third one is filters. You know, source report is nothing but a report. It's nothing but a report. It provides data for your dashboard. And also widget is nothing. I already said it's a chart or matrix format. And the filter is I created dashboard. I added reports and data in the dashboard, but I want to filter the data in my reports. That's why we need filters. Dashboard widgets. In dashboard widget, we have three types. One is chart or table, another one is text, and the last one is images. You can add chart or table, text, images using that widget. In one dashboard, we have up to 25 widgets and 20 chart or table or 20 maximum of 25 text widgets and maximum of 3 images only we can have one in one dashboard. Let's have a quick demo for this. I'm going to create one dashboard I'm going to name it sales rep performance. You can have you can enter the description, and here you need to select the folder. I'm going to select Trailblazer. I'm already created one folder. I'm going to select that folder. Let's create a dashboard. This is what dashboard folder, and here you are going to add a widget. Three types of widget: chart or table, text, images, and here is filter. Filter is not enabled now because you didn't add any chart or any widget. That's why the filter is not added, not enabled. Let's add chart or table. If you want to add a source report to the dashboard, then you need to add chart or table. Using this chart or table, you are going to add the reports to this dashboard. I already created two reports. One is one tabular report and one summary report. Lead details is the tabular report. You can add this to the dashboard. This is how you are going to add widget in your dashboard. Let's back to the dashboard. Chart and table. There are different types of charts and tables available in dashboard. One is like bar chart, stacked bar chart, line chart, matrix, and a table. Like these are the things available in the dashboard widgets. Bar chart, if you based on your report type, you can access this charts and a table. If you are using the table report, you can access only the lightning dashboard table in your dashboard. If you are using summarize or matrix report, you can access bar chart, donut chart, funnel chart, scatter chart based on your grouping level. If you have only one group, then you can access bar chart, line chart, donut chart, funnel chart, scatter chart, gauge metric components. If you have more than one group, then you can access stacked bar chart also. Let's have a quick demo for these charts and tables. I already said, let's edit this. This is the table report. Here you can see you can't have access to these charts. You only have access to the table because this is the table report. Here you can add any columns if you want to show this in dashboard, and also you can group based on one field. Here I am going to group using the lead status. And also you can sort them in this side. In the right side you can see the preview of the component. Here you can sort them details using lead status or record count. If I am going to sort this using record count, this is nothing but I have, and you can select the sort data. This is nothing but in my org I have total 32 lead records. 3 is in the closed not converted status, and 8 is the closed converted status, and then 9 is open stage, and then 12 is the working status. This is what this component is shows. You can sort them details using lead status or record count in the ascending or descending. Next one is display units. This is the record count If you have any numeric numbers or currency field, you can select this sort number format. If you need full number, you can select full number, or you can have hundreds. If you want to see the difference, you can. I am going to add annual revenue here. You can see the difference, right? In 100 formats. If I am selecting 1000, it will show in the 1000 format. If I am select millions or billions, it will show in the billion format. In default, it shows shorten number. Next one is decimal places. I can add decimal places. If you want 0 decimal place, you can select 0. If you want 1, 2, 3, how many decimal places you need, you can select that. If just now I am selecting 2. Next one is custom link. This is nothing but if you want to redirect one Salesforce record on one website, you want to redirect from this component, you can copy that link here. Now I am going to, for just a demo purpose, I am going to link one particular lead record. And this is the title in dashboard, and this we have to give the title for this component. I'm going to give lead details, and the subtitle is I'm going to give status wise, and the footer also you can give. I'm going to give status just for demo. And last one is component theme. It's nothing but you can select light theme or dark theme for this component. Similar to, you can select that whole dashboard component in the settings. I can show this later. Let's update this component. Here is the lead details is the title I'm giving, and the status wise is the subtitle for this component, and the footer I am giving status right. This will show in this below. And if I save this dashboard and I click done, I am giving one custom link, right? You can access this custom link from here. If I select this, if I click this, it will redirect to that lead record. You can download this only this component or whole dashboard. Okay, let's edit the dashboard. This is for table format. Let's add another chart. Status wise lead is another summary format. Let's select this report, summary report. That summary report have two group based on owner and based on status. If it's have only one group, means the stacked, these two are stacked bar. This is not available in this dashboard. If it's have two group, that's why it's enabled. First, let's select this bar chart. You can add this x-axis field and y-axis field here. Lead owner and lead status is the grouping field in reports. First I am going to remove this lead status. I only need a lead owner group. And the record count is the y-axis column. Display units is similar to the we seeing in the table is. If I want full number, I can give full number. 100,000 I can give. And also if I select the show values, it will show the values in bar chart. If I don't want a value, then I can deselect this. You can see the difference, right? I can select the show values. Y-axis range, you can select the automatic and also custom. It's so 24, right? I want maximum of 100, then I can select here. You can see the difference in the preview page. First, let me select the automatic. Decimal places is similar to previous one. I am going to put 1. And also sort by. If you want to sort by lead owner or record count, you can select here. I am going to sort by record count in the descending. And also custom link is also similar. If you want to link to one particular record or any website, you can copy paste the URL here. Status wise lead. You can give the subtitle and footer also. I'm going to select the dark theme. This is what article bar chart. Okay, then let's have a quick demo for stacked bar charts. And also metrics. Let's select stacked bar chart, vertical stacked bar chart. Here I am going to, there you can select, you can see the difference for bar chart and stacked bar chart. In bar chart, it shows only total count. Like if I am the owner of the lead, I am based on lead owner. If Madhubala have 7 lead record and Nanda have 30 something lead record, right? But here you can see them lead record based on their status as well as. You can select the stack by here, lead owner or lead status. You can stack the, you can component which you want to categorize. If you want to categorize by lead owner, or if you want to select by them, if you want to categorize by lead status, you can select here. I want to see the lead details and categorize by lead status. In x-axis is lead owner. If I click stack to 100%, it will show the expand view. If I don't want, then I can deselect this. Automatic and custom is similar to previous one. Decimal place is also similar to previous ones. And sort by, if you want to, here you can sort using lead owner, record count as well as lead status and record count. Custom link is also same, status wise lead. By default, the title will be report name. If you want to edit this, you can edit. I'm going to select the dark theme. I'm going to rearrange this. You can see the difference between table, vertical bar chart and vertical stacked bar chart, right? I am a sales manager. I don't want to see using the bar chart or table or a stacked bar chart. I want just a metric only. I want to know how many leads records are created by, I want to know how many leads records are in my org. Then I have to add one metric component here. Metric is nothing but it's just a number. Here you can select a metric. If you select the show range, here you can define the ranges and you can define the color for that number. You can change that and you can pick the colors from here. Or you can, if you have RGB number, you can paste here. I'm going to select. You can see the difference, right? If I don't want to show ranges, then you can deselect here. Decimal place is similar to previous ones. If you want decimal place, you can select 2 or 3, how many decimal place you need. For now, I don't want any decimal place. Then I am going to automatic. Let's select the dark theme. Let's add this to the dashboard. This is what total leads in my total lead records in my org, and I don't want bar chart. I want to see the lead record based on owner, but I don't want bar chart. Then you can have donut chart. Here you have donut chart. You can slide here. You can see the lead one based on lead owner. If you want to see the based on lead status, you can select the lead status as well as. You can see the difference, right? But I want to see based on lead owner, then I'm going to select the lead owner. If you want show total, you can select this. If you don't want, then you can deselect this. I don't want. Okay. And also you can select the show values value. If you want to know the values, you can select show values. If you don't want, then you can deselect this. I'm going with dark theme. You can change the widget size as well as you can play with the other charts as well as I have. Here you have got chart, funnel and line chart and stacked bar. You can play with these charts as well as the remaining things are same. Okay, let's add text. I'm going to have sales rep. You can change the text color here as well as, and you can rearrange. And if you want to link, if you want to link here, you can choose. You can choose here, and you can enter the link. Just I'm going to add a text. That's it. You can rearrange this text in upper widget. Then save the dashboard. These are the charts and the tables available in the dashboard. You can add image as well as. If you want to add image, you can click image. You can upload from your local desktop, and also if your org have any image, you can select from this gallery. So let's back to the presentation. These are the charts we are now seeing. Next one is filters. In dashboard we have to in dashboard we are going to apply the filters to filter the data shown in the dashboard. If I want, now I created the dashboard for lead records, but I want to see the lead records based on created date or created month. For that I'm going to add one filter to the dashboard. For adding filter, you can click the filter. Here you can select the fields, which field you want to filter. I'm going to add created date. Create date. You can change the filter name here and just change created. You can add value here. If it's calendar, this means you can pick particular one date, but I want this month lead, so I'm going with relative. Here you can I enter the relative date like yesterday, last week, this month, last year. You can enter this. I'm going to enter this month and apply this filter. You can add up to 50 filter values in one filter. I'm going to add last year as well as let's add this filter. The filter is added to the dashboard. To check the filter, you need to save and click done. Once done, you can filter the dashboard. I'm going to filter using equals this month. It's refreshing. For this month, there is no lead records in my org. That's why the components are showing like this. If I am going to select last year, it's refreshing. These are the lead data come within the last year. Okay, let's change into all. Equals last year. If I apply filter in the dashboard level, it apply the filter in the dashboard in the report and fetch the data from there. You can see one custom link here, right? If you click this, it will redirect to your source report. I'm going to view this report, lead details. Here you can see the filter equals last year is applied to this report. As well as all, if I apply filter in dashboard level, it will apply all the reports used in this dashboard. And if I'm creating filter based on, if I'm going to add a filter based on created date. For this, I have for this the created date field will be added in the report. If you don't have this field permission in report level, then you can't add this field in the filter. Let's back to the presentation. Here, you know why we are going to filters, right? You can add up to 50 values in filter, and for in developer edition, you can have up to 3 filters, I think. For one dashboard, you can have up to 3 filters. If it's in unlimited or enterprise edition, you can have up to 5 filters. You can filter based on text, numeric, date time, pick list, and lookup checkbox, etc. If you don't have permission for the field in report level, then you can't add that field in the filter dashboard filter. Next one is managing this dashboard. I created the dashboard using the chart and table filters and created. Now I'm going to manage the dashboard. What is the managing dashboard? Means I'm going to if I created, I'm going to see that dashboard, right? I need to see. I want to share and also what are the data are sold in the dashboard. I'm going to manage that data in them using this managing dashboard. It's nothing but data visibility in the dashboard. Dashboard data visibility. It's control which data is visible based on the running user. I already said what is running user. Based on the running user access, you can see the data in the dashboard. Let's say example, I am a sales manager. I have all the access to the lead record, and I have sales rep. I have team with 2 sales rep. They don't have access to each other's records. Then what if I share the report? If I share the dashboard to my sales rep, then what they are going to see? Their own record or all the record I am going to see. This is what this running user is defined. And also if I have give my team dashboard permission, then I can see all my team's data in one dashboard. And dashboard data visibility we can define using me, another user, and also dashboard viewer. Me is nothing but I am the dashboard creator. Uh, I have all the data access for lead. Then I'm going to, if another user is going to see the dashboard, they can see the data based on my access. And this is why this is for me. If I'm selecting another user, um, let's say I'm selecting another user in my org, they don't have all the access, they have one particular region lead record. Then I'm going to see the dashboard, then I'm based on that, based on their user access. And the dashboard viewer is I'm going to, if I select the dashboard viewer, dashboard viewer is nothing, and they are, who are all going to view the dashboard is called dashboard viewer. If I select the dashboard viewer, they can see the data based on their access and the privilege. Let's have quick demo for this. Let's click edit. You can see the gear icon, right? Here you can see them. Here you can change that running user. Here view dashboard as me, another person the dashboard viewer is. If I select me, and all the user who are all going to view the dashboard can see the data based on my access. If I click another user, and here I can select them. Default is my name because I am the one who created this dashboard. I can change the here. I can select Nanda. If I select Nanda, who are all going to view the dashboard, they are all see them data based on Nanda data's access and privilege. Let's say if Nanda have access to one particular region lead records only, then all the user who are all going to view the dashboard, they will see only that particular region data. Let's select the dashboard viewer, and the dashboard viewer is nothing but if I select the dashboard viewer, they can see the data based on their access. The user one user, we have user, I am a sales manager, I can see the dashboard based on my access. If a sales rep can see the dashboard, they can see the dashboard data based on their access. This is called dynamic dashboard in Salesforce. Next one is this is let dashboard viewer choose whom they view the dashboard as. Here I am a sales manager. I want to see them my team dashboard as well as, but I don't want. I am going to, for this, let's select this the dashboard viewer. Let's save this dashboard. Done. Let's refresh this. You can see here there is no change. I can write, if I select the letters, choose my viewing as dashboard, then here with the sole change. Let's refresh this. It shows here. Here I can choose the user who I want to see. Based on which user I want to see the data, I am going to select Nanda. If I select another user, I can see the data based on that user privileges. Can see the let's refresh this. Let's wait, it's loading, I think. I said dynamic dashboard, right? Let's see what is dynamic dashboard. Dynamic dashboard is nothing but I already said I am a sales manager and I have team of 2 sales rep. I want the dashboard for sales rep, but I don't want to create different dashboard for different user. For that we are using dynamic dashboard. We are going to create only one dashboard. We can share that dashboard using the dashboard viewer. Then all the dashboard and then all the user they can see that dashboard based on their user access. This is called dynamic dashboard. You can have up to 5 dynamic dashboard for enterprise edition, 10 for the unlimited edition and performance edition, 3 for developer edition. This is the dynamic dashboard. Next one is subscribe or schedule dashboard. The dashboard data will not automatically refresh. We are the one who is going to refresh the dashboard. Every time you are going to see the dashboard, you need to refresh. Then only the current data will be present in the UI level. And I don't want to refresh every time. I want to refresh the data. I'm going to schedule the refresh using the subscribe or schedule dashboard. And once the data is refreshed and the refreshed data will be emailed to me. This is nothing but the reports subscribe, right? This is same to this. And the another thing is you can't subscribe the dynamic dashboards. So let's change this to static dashboards. Going to view dashboard as me. Let's say click done. You can see the subscribe button here. Every time you want to see the dashboard and using the current data, you can click this refresh button. You can't click more than once in a minute. Okay, let's see the subscribe. Here, it's similar to the report subscription. If you want to subscribe daily, you can select daily based on particular time. If you want weekly, you can select Sunday, Monday, any days you want to, and also you can select monthly. Here you can, if monthly, you can select a specific date, I mean last day or dates. 1 to 31st, you can select specific dates. If you want relative, you can select relative. First Monday or last, third, fourth Monday, you can select here. And also you can select the time here. I'm going to select daily. Okay, let's select 12 p.m. Receive new result. If you want to receive the refreshed data via email, you can select this. If you don't want, you can deselect this checkbox. I want to receive my data using email, and you can edit the recipient here. If you want add user, you can search the username. I'm going to add Nanda. Let's select add. Nanda will be added to the subscriber list. If you want to remove, you can select. If you can select this checkbox and you can select this cross mark, and you want to remove all the recipient, you can select here. For now, I don't want this. Okay. Let's say if in In this scenario, daily 12 p.m. me and Nanda will receive the refreshed data and dashboard in our email. That this is for subscription. For your please keep in mind, you can't subscribe dynamic dashboards. You can subscribe only static dashboards. It's back to the presentation. Next one is organized dashboard. Created the dashboard and we created the dashboard and we managing the dashboard. Next one is organized dashboard. What is this organized dashboard? I already said I just want to share my dashboard to my teams, sales reps, right? For sharing, we are going to share the dashboard similar to the report sharing. You are not going to share reports. You are not going to share this dashboard itself. You are going to share the dashboard folder, and also you can't say the private folder. In first, you want to share. If you want to share the dashboard, you need to share that dashboard. You need to save that dashboard in your folder or any other public folder. Let's save that. Let's have a quick demo. This is the folder. Let's click share here. There you can see the who are have access to this folder, and if you want any other user you can share here using selecting user, or you want to share this based on roles, you can select role or role and subordinate, or you can select public groups. Now I am going to select user, search user. You can give the access to that user. If you want to give them view or edit or manage permission, you can give. If it's view, mean they can see only dashboard. If it's edit, they can edit the dashboard. If it's manage, they can manage, like they can also share or delete, edit. Both are all they can access. I'm going to give view access only. Let's share. Added here. I am a dashboard owner. I can have manage permission, and I added just now. I added one user with view access permission. It's done. Let's say this dashboard folder have multiple dashboard. Then the particular user, if I add one user, right, the particular user have all the view access to all the dashboard within that folder. You know about roles and subordinate and public groups in. So if you want to share that particular role, you can select role. If you want to share roles and subordinate, you can select subordinate. If you want to share the dashboard to particular groups, you can select public groups. Next one, the dashboard. I already said view, edit and manage permission. View means you can see only the dashboard. Edit means you can edit. Manage means you can view, edit, and also you can delete, or you can also share the dashboard. This is why this is manage. Next one, distributing. Before that, I already said theme, right? Here you can change the grid size, and also you can change the dashboard theme. First we see component level theme. Here you can choose the dashboard level theme. If you select light, if you want light, you can select light. If you want dark, you can select. I'm going with the light. If you want any dashboard palette, I mean the chart categories colors, you can select here. Let's save. You can change the difference, right? If you want If you don't want this filter, if you don't want, you can, if you don't want this thing, you can select which theme you want to. Let's see. And another one is you can filter, if you add dashboard level filter, and also you can add component level filter here. I don't want all the component, I don't want filter to apply all the components. I want just one, just for this one, then you can apply here last modified date based on. You can select the filter here as well as, let's say, distributing dashboard. I created the dashboard and also managing dashboard. Now distributing dashboard. Distributing dashboard is nothing but I want to see the dashboard in my regular working area, like my home page or details page, like that. For that you need customize application permission. Let's say I am a sales manager. I want to see the dashboard daily, but I don't want to go using the dashboard tab and selecting that particular dashboard. I want to see that dashboard in my home page. For that, we are going to add that in our home page. Let's have a quick demo. I hope you are all know app builders. Let's say this is the home page. Here I am going to add my dashboard. Click edit page. Here I can add components. So I'm going to add dashboard. Let's search dashboard. Let's drag and drop here. Okay, to rename my dashboard. I'm going to rename my dashboard sales rep insights. Let's have sales rep insights. Let's see. Let's refresh this page. Let's add dashboard component. Here you can have maximum height and as well as hide an error button is. If you have any error in the component in the dashboard, if you want to see that error in the home page, you can select. If you don't want, you can select hide an error. If you want to see the error, you can deselect this and check this checkbox. I want to hide the error. Let's save this page. And if you are first time adding this, then you need to activate this. You all know about app builder activation, right? So let's save. Let's back to the home page. This is how you are going to activate. I already activate this page, so I'm going to just save this. It's back to home page. This is how you are going to add your dashboard to your home page. Here you can select the filter and you can change the filter and you can open your dashboard from here. If you want to download your dashboard, you can click download. If you want to clone this dashboard, you can click save as and you can click save as and you can enter the name you want. If it's download, it will show like this. It will download the whole page, whole dashboard. You can download if you don't want to download the whole dashboard, but you want to download only one component, I mean only one widget, you can click here and you can download this chart only. If you want to see that next chart, you can click like this. If you want to download this one, you can click download.